welcome my 10th standard students for the online class, English subject. Topic is a pair of Saurus cranes. I think all are familiar with the cranes. You might have seen cranes, how beautiful they are. And also relevant to that Saurus crane, I would like to tell you all about the story of this Saurus crane. What happened to the Saurus? A pair of Saurus crane was leading their life so happily. One fine day, what has happened to those Saurus crane? Let us go to the poem. And you know who has been authored this A Pair of Saurus Crane poem? It is Manmohan Singh, an officer of the Indian Administrative Service. And this has been published in a number of magazines. That is, this poem has been published in a number of magazines. And also, this poem has been taken from the entitled book Village Poems. It is Village Poems. So let us go for the reader there. A pair of Saurus crane. The male was shot as he necked to pull the reluctant sun out from the rim of horizon. She flew crying as he was picked up hands and jaws, and a proud neck was humbled to lie like dirty linen in a coarse washing bag. She circled the sky in movements of grace over its disgraceful end. The killers went away and she returned to the death scene with grief that inscribed its intensity in dots and pits, like the Morse code of birth sorrow, transmitted to the air. With her beak, she kissed a few feathers, picked the ones that wind had not taken away, and sat to hatch the blood-stained feathers into a toddling chick. A wave of the seas she had never seen came to her from afar away and carried her to him. She went away beyond Hume's words, beyond the legends and fables of human love. This poem, it is a very beautiful poem where the Saurus cranes, male and female, a pair of Saurus crane, leading their life very happily. One fine day, the male Saurus crane, what did it do? It stretched its neck as if to pluck the sun out from the rim of the horizon. So what the Saurus crane, male Saurus crane did, one day morning, early morning, it just peeped outside from its nest or from the place where it has been leading the life, that is, pluck the sun out from the rim of the horizon. The way it has been peeped out with its neck, it looks like as if it is going to pluck the sun out from the rim of the horizon. The bold initiative of the bird is revealed as it is trying to do the impossible. It is said that where the work which is not possible is going to be done by the male Saurus crane. It is initiated like that. But at the same time, it is at this wonderful moment that a hunter does the shameful act of shooting down the male bird. So as the male bird has been put the neck out of its nest just to see the sun's rays early morning. So as the hunters are passing by, a hunter shot a male Saurus crane. The word necked in the first stanza can also be told that the birds embracing each other when the hunter breaks their union by shooting at the male bird. So what happened there? So male and female were there. In that, one male bird, that is Saurus crane, has been shot by whom? By the hunter. It is a very disgraceful end to a very graceful bird. So very disgraceful it is. No, by this hunter did that work. So sad. He departed. Means both the Saurus crane was very happy in that he separated the male from the female. So sad of it. The female bird immediately starts shrieking and circling the sky. See, we think that only human beings are very affectionate to each other. No, even animals, birds, all are like that. But we are unable to make out that. Here, the Saurus crane. At the same time, when the male bird just fell down after the hunter has been shot, immediately the female bird, what it did, the female bird immediately starts shrieking and slurping in the sky. It just flew in the sky and started circling there, flying like that. It was circling without leaving the place. After the hunter carelessly picks up the dead bird, throws it carelessly into his washing bag and goes away. So what did he do? He just who the hunter. The bird which has been shot dead, he just picked it so carelessly and just dumped it in the bag, that is washing bag, that dirty bag where they are bringing it no with them. They carry the bags and come, because after the birds or animals which has been shot by the hunters, they have to carry that and go. So they need a bag. In that dirty bag, he just took that male bird and dumped it inside. That bird throws it carelessly into his washing bag and goes away. And he just put it on his shoulder and he walked away. The female bird comes down and searches all around the place for the male bird. So what did the female do? The female bird came down from the sky after circling there and then searching for the partner, that is male, from this place to that place, here and there, but it couldn't find this partner. So she goes on crying all the time, expressing her sorrow to all those who could understand her. So here, even birds and animals also talk each other. As it, the feelings has to be expressed to one another. So it went to the birds and animals, whoever it is coming across, went and said that it is the male, its partner has been dead. Who? Partner has been dead by whom? By the hunter. So it is expressing the sorrow. Could understand her. In her intense grief, she gathers some bloodstained feathers and sits on them. So after sharing these sorrows with other animals, birds, and its partners and mates, what did it do? It just carried or picked the blood-stained feathers. Where did that female crane got the blood-stained feathers? So as the hunter picked the male Saurus crane after he shot it to death, as he picked up from that dead bird, 2, 3 feathers has been fallen down. So that blood-stained feathers, the female bird picked it one after the other, and in her intense grief, they gathers some blood-stained feathers and sits on them as if to hatch a chick from them. See how sorrow, and also we can say that the bird is so fascinating and affectionate to her mate, thinking that after it has gathered the blood-stained feathers, it kept it there on a place and sat on the blood-stained feathers, thinking that it can hatch a new chick out of the blood-stained feathers, because it is unable to think that it is the male Saurus crane partner has been already gone away from the male bird. It is unable to think. It is bringing the sorrows and happiness to himself, stating that it can bring the chick from the bloodstained feathers. As she sits on the feathers without food or drink, what did it think? So the female thought that, okay, if I sit on these feathers, I can bring my male Saurus crane, that is my partner, back. to life. So it doesn't want to get up from the feathers even for a while also, because it thinks that if I get up from the blood-stained feathers, it is unable to hatch a chick. So without drinking a drop of water or eating nothing, so it started leading his life by sitting on the feathers without any food or water, desperately trying to give life to them. So it is very desperately waiting that the male Saurus crane will be back soon, away from the seas, which could be an actual way of the sea or an intense way of sorrow, overcomes her and kills her. So waiting like that for a day, 2 day, 3 day, like that the days are passed. So how many days this Saurus crane will be fasting without eating? So one day it has lost its strength and it has been sitting like that near the sea. A wave of the sea came on her intense way of sorrow, overcomes her and kills her and takes away by the waves. So even the female Saurus crane also went. So both thus the birds go beyond the ornithologist Hume's words at the pair of Saurus crane, where this gives the man appears very cruel. Here the man appears very cruel, mean and unfeeling, whereas the birds appear sensitive, loving and humble. So it's so sensitive the Saurus crane is that thinking it can bring back the male Saurus crane by hatching, sitting and hatching on the feathers, that is blood stained feathers. It wants to sit on the blood stained feathers and bring back the male Saurus crane. Like that it was waiting for days. After that, one day what happened? The waves carried away even the male Saurus crane also. So both male and the female Saurus crane end their life. So this is about the pair of Saurus crane. I hope you understood this poem. Yes, thank you, children. So let us go for the next part of the class, that is assignment class. In this assignments, I have given 2 questions for you. First one is stick a picture of Manmohan Singh and write briefly about him. Next is write the poem and summary of the poem once in English homework book. Means you have to a pair of Saurus crane poem, how it is in the reader like that. By seeing the punctuation and capital letters, you write once in the homework book, and also below that poem you write the summary of the poem. And I will be sending you all a few questions, my own questions in this poem in the WhatsApp. You see that and then complete all the questions together in the homework book and submit on the date which has been mentioned in the WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, children.